Mom, where are you? Mom! Mom, where are you? Yes, honey? Oh, hey, Mom. What? What's wrong? I'm tired. I know you're tired, because it's 7 in the morning. Oh, yeah, that's what I was thinking about. School. I have to go to school. School's starting right now. Okay, well, you need to eat breakfast first. Okay. Oh, come on, Mom. I need breakfast. School's starting. Going into freak-out mode. Don't worry, honey, it's coming. Just wait, okay? Okay. Ya-da-da-da-da-da. Ya-da-da-da-da-da. Ya-da-da-da-da. Today is my daughter's birthday. And here's your birthday cake, honey. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome. And little Kaylee. Here's your juice, your carrots, and your little cake. Thank you, Mommy. Yeah, thanks. Alright, eat up, 'cause I have 2 presents for you, honey. Okay. Alright, eat up. That was good. Okay, Mom! I'm ready for my present. Well, presents. Okay, honey. Well, first one is in the garage. Okay? Okay. Because it was too big to fit in the house. What will Carrie give for her birthday? Will it be a hot dog? Will it be a bowl? Or will it be a pickle? Tune in to LPS Popular Part 2 coming next Saturday. Bye.